Hello everyone, this is Don, and today I am going to be doing a little video on one of our shipping modules, which is, let's jump in the back end here and let's go to Store, Shipping Module List, the standard-based shipping module with Zone. I'm just going to be going over the standard, this guy right here, and setting up a couple of different tables to use and kind of showing you how it interplays with the products and that like a shipping override or handling fee on a per product level. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and click the configure ship method for this standard based shipping calculator, and you'll see that right now there are no records in here. So I'm going to go ahead and create a first one. First I'm going to create one called standard ground, and then I'm going to go ahead and leave these guys all unchecked, but these reference tax, like if you need to charge tax, which tax to charge. So you have some different ones. You'll also see that you can apply a tax when shipping within state, and then you can disregard shipping overrides for this part right here, except handling fees. So what I'm going to do is just quickly set up some prices. So my first one's $15. So what I'm saying in this first row here is for orders totals in dollars less than $15, charge, I'm going to say $5.50. Then I'm going to add a new line. I'm going to say $30 less than $30, but of course greater than 15 or $15. I'm going to say I'm going to charge $7.50. I'm just going to kind of make a simple little guy here. And of course, you can set up yours to be whatever you want and get as many rows in here, lines. You can go by $5, $10, whatever, and $1 over here, whatever you want. The main thing to understand is that this is totally adjustable by you, and it's pretty flexible as far as, like, say you're getting sales. It's like, well, I'm not really covering my shipping costs. You can come over here and bump these guys up if you need to. So next we'll go $10.50, add a new line. Let's go $60. I'm going to call this $13.50. Add a new line, $75. And I'm going to say this one's going to be, let's call this one $17. Okay? And then I'm going to say, for this one that I'm doing, just as an example, I'm going to say anything over $75 in total or cart total is going to be $0.00. I mean, it's going to be free. So the subtotal amount. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit save now. Let's go to the shopping cart. On the front end, you'll see that I already have a couple of products in here already chosen for this, just to keep this video short and sweet. I have two products. One's $17.51. The other one's $18. And let's go ahead and proceed to checkout. But just so you know, well, wait a second. Let me show you this again. This guy here, the Rub-A-Dub Musical Spray Sub product by Alex, I actually have this set up as with a $5 handling fee. So it's going to add $5 to the shipping cost. Let's go ahead and continue with checkout. I'm already logged in again to save time. And you'll see that standard shipping is $15.50. So let's look at our table again. Okay? Let's open it up. And you'll see that our cart total, let's look at it again, is $39.06. And that's with both products added together plus tax. And I'll go over that too in just a bit. And we'll see, so it's less than 45, so it's $10.50. But this one product here has a $5 handling fee, which makes it $15.50. Let me show you where that's set. So if we go to our product edit list and we edit this Rub-A-Dub Musical Spray, you'll see on this tab here called Packaging, I have a shipping override of $5, but I also have this guy checked too, which is Apply Override as a Handling Fee. So that's what added the $5 to the shipping total, the shipping cost calculation. So pretty simple. Let's go back to our shipping calculator again. And this time I'm going to add a new table. And instead of standard shipping, I'm going to call this expedited shipping. And I'm also going to say standard ground shipping just to keep some consistency here, just so you can see that you can change these. And this time, I'm going to go ahead and do my same kind of price scenario, except I'm going to bump it up in cost this time because, one, it's expedited shipping. So I'm going to start out at $8.50, add a new line, go $30. Let's do 13. I'm going to bump them up by $4.50 each. $18, $60, $75. Thing with expedited though, I don't want to offer free shipping on this guy at all. I've done this before. These are kind of saved in by cash. 27, and then I'm going to go 90, 32, then 105. So again, you could just keep going on. Excuse me, and just keep going and say like add another one, 120. That was 40. And then say we get above a certain amount, you're just going to charge, say, $65. Anything above 120, 65. Again, that's not necessarily what I would do, but it's just to give an example. And so then I hit save. Okay, let's go back to our cart again. Let's refresh our cart like we're going through checkout. Once more, remember this guy has a $5 handling fee. Go continue, and I'm already logged in just to save time. Okay, so now you'll see that there's standard ground shipping or expedited shipping. And expedited is 23. So let's look at this. We have a total, cart total, $39.06. Let's go look at our table that we created. Okay, $39.06, so it's less than 45. But greater than 13, so this would be, or 30, so this would be 18 plus the 5, which would be 23, because remember that one product has a $5 handling fee on it, so it's being added to it. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can keep adding more tables as you see fit. Maybe you want to offer next day, there's expedited, next day shipping or something like that, and increase the prices even more. The good thing about this is once you've created it, it's not set in stone. You can come back here, make it, do more, make it more flexible. And because this first one, my standard ground shipping, I said anything above $75 is 0. I can also start marketing that I offer free shipping above $75. You can also say standard ground shipping, but anything of orders of greater than 75 gets free shipping. But again, it's given me that flexibility to do so. That's pretty much it for this guy. The one thing that I'm going to show you is in the configuration of the shopping cart. So admin configuration. Let's jump to shipping here. And here's where you enable or disable the different shipping modules as well as local pickup, local delivery. But you'll also be able to say for calculate shipping fee based on item subtotal, item subtotal plus taxes, items subtotal minus a coupon discount, so it would remove the amount and be the cart total after coupon discount, or item subtotal plus taxes minus coupon discount. Again, a lot of flexibility here. Right now, we're just looking at items subtotal for our cart total for our shipping calculators to look at. That's it. I hope this video helps you out in kind of setting up your table-based shipping calculator with zones. Be sure to check out the other videos. Thanks.